Do you know you can earn money with your Google AdSense account no matter how small or big the account is? Now, I've been working with AdSense accounts for over 3 years now. I have a strong experience on AdSense loading. I've loaded a lot of accounts and received a lot of payments with them. So I have a lot of experience when it comes to AdSense loading. And this account you're going to see, this account on the screen now, is an account I've been working for over a year now. I think this is over a year plus. If you have been on this channel for a while, you notice that I've been working on this particular account and I've been showing the result. Whatever the account goes through, I'll be posting it on this channel. Even when the account goes through ad limits, I post it here. There were a couple of times when this account went on ad limits. I posted it here, everybody saw it. We even revived the ad limits too. So this method is very effective. So for those of you that are new on this page, this is Flicker Brain. This is a channel where you can learn everything you want to understand about AdSense loading. You can also learn AdSense loading and arbitrage, but we fully work more on loading on this channel, and basically teach more of loading on this channel. So you can also click on the subscription button. You can follow us for more contents like this. So you can see for this account, you can see that on this balance, you can see what we have so far on the account for the balance. This is what we worked last month. So this balance is going to be released on the 21st of this month. And you can see so far this month what we have produced around $16,000 on this account, and we are still pushing it hard. You can see today so far we generated around $1,000 on the account. So coming over to the performance here, you can see below, you can see the CPC. You can see how high our CPC is. This is a method that once you learn this method, you learn how to generate quality cookies that will make your CPC increase. If you notice all the videos on this channel, you notice that our CPC is always high because our cookies is very, very effective, and it's cookies that we spend time and develop, so they are more of quality profiled cookies. You can see also the clicks. This is fully automation method. You can see that the account has gone through a lot of process. You have groomed this account for a while, and that's why it's receiving huge amount of money like this. So for accounts that are also new, for new accounts, you can also work on new account, but it's just that the amount of money you load on that account won't be much. You will load less money, start small on the account, start grooming it small till you start receiving huge amount of money. Okay, let me refresh this. Let me know whether there's any update so far on the dashboard. Okay, no update so far. So if you're interested in learning this, you want to know how this works, you want to understand how the method works, how the full automation process is, there is a link in the description box below. You can contact us, you make more inquiries, you can hop on a call, and I will explain more about it for you. Okay, I will not share everything here on YouTube. So if you're also new to this channel, please subscribe. You can follow us for more of this content. I'll be also posting more of AdSense loading related on this channel, and more of YouTube contents too. Okay, subscribe below and follow us for more of this content. Have a nice day, everybody.